Hi everyone, welcome to this class. This is lesson 10 of our SMC complete strategy. Lesson 10 or lesson 9, I don't know. Okay, sorry, forgive me about that. So today we'll speak about some concepts you have to know. Very important. It's just like they are just like the stuff you have to look out for before, and these are ranges. You have to understand the concept of ranges, premium and discounts, weak and strong highs and lows. Okay, so let's pick them one after the other. Okay, so let's start from ranges. Let's start from ranges. Okay, sorry, premium and discounts. Start from premium and discounts. Now, I will say premium and discounts. What are we trying to say? Just as the word says, you all know when they say something is discounted, that means the price is cheap. Okay, and when they say something is premium, that means the price is high. Okay, so since you are a trader, you are buying and you are selling, you want to buy at a discounted price and sell at a premium price, right? You want to buy at a discount price and sell at a premium price. Okay, so before you can do this, you have to first understand ranges. Ranges is different from what we know about this concept of this range is different from what you know before about range. Formally we just know that when market is doing something like this, then we say it's a range, right? We say it is what it is ranging. That's what the normal range that we all know from our retail concept. Okay, but there is another way we see it from SMC perspective. Okay, now let's say price is moving up. Market structure is always the primary stuff in every strategy. Okay, so we have price moving up like this, breaking structure high, giving us BOS. Okay, now when price reverse like this, okay, let's say price reverse like that. All right, now from the higher low to the higher high where it's reversed from, that's a range where we want to trade from. Okay, that's a range where we are looking to trade from. So this is a range that we always want to look at. When price break a high, create a higher high, and start reversing for a higher low, that's the range you are looking for, that I want to buy from in a uptrend perspective. Now, here's where concept of premium and discount comes in. Okay, now the highest part of the range is the is the is the most premium price. That's the most expensive price of this range. Then the lowest part of the range is the most discounted price. If price should go below this low here, it's out of that range. It's already changing to another trend. It's a downtrend. So if this uptrend is going to continue, you want to buy within this range. If it breaks out, let's say it breaks out again and create another high, you have a new range. And that range is now from here to here. You get it? So that's how we look at the range. So immediately you see a new break of structure, you mark the highest point of it and the lowest point of it. So inside, that's where you want to trade and you want to look for buy. Okay, so you come here and look for you will now be looking for other blocks and all. But you normally in the uptrend, you normally want to buy in discounts. Okay, so the premium pricing start from 50%, is the middle of the range, to the highest point That's what's that's premium zone. All this is a premium zone. Since we are not selling, this is an uptrend. You don't want to sell in an uptrend. We don't care about premium zone. Okay. Now, share is from share to share now, discount zone. Okay. Why the 50%, the middle of them is the equilibrium price. Okay. So we have this is our, that's not what I want to bring out. Sorry. This is this premium zone, okay, of that range. Okay. Then we have again, we have a discount zone. Okay. So in an uptrend, we always want to find other blocks that fall inside the discount range. You don't want to, if there's an order block inside these premiums, we don't really want to trade from it. We want to trade from the discount zone. Okay. You want to trade from a discount zone. That's where you enter buy, because nobody wants to buy something at a high price. But if you buy it at high price, how are you going to sell it? You'll be looking for higher price, but it will be easier if you buy it at a lower price. You can sell it at higher price. You understand? So that's it. Take your Fibonacci level, Fibonacci retracement tool. That's what I use. Some people use this GAN box, but I prefer to use Fibonacci retracement. Then you draw from higher low to higher high. Okay. So when you do that, you can, let's say this is your Fibonacci to, if it is on default, it's because I've customized mine. That's why I show you like that. Let me take it to default. Okay. This is default. This is how you are going to see it. Okay. This is how you are going to see it. All right. So you don't need all these levels. You only need 0, 0.5, and 1. So you just double tap on it. Or if you are using phone, just tap and hold on it. Or simply locate this toolbar here, this one. Then just tap on these dots, 3 dots. Okay. Sorry, tap on this settings icon. Just tap on it. It's going to bring you here. Okay. Then you remove, you can remove trend line, you don't need it. Remove this, leave 0. Then remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this. You don't need all of that. Okay. So remove this, remove all this. You don't need it. Okay. So that it will not make your chart look rough. Then you are going to arrive at this. So you know that in between here is equilibrium. Okay. So from this equilibrium downward, discount zone. From the equilibrium upward is the what? Is the premium zone. So in an uptrend, you want to be buying in an uptrend. Okay. So you will be looking to buy from premium zone. Okay. Sorry, from discount zone. Because if you are buying something for you to resell later, you want to buy at the cheapest possible price. Okay. So that is it. I've already spoken about range. Range is from your higher low to your higher high. I've spoken about premium and discounts, which is from 50% upward. That's 50% of your range. Okay. So from 50% of your age upward to the highest point is your premium price. Then from the 50% again to the lowest point is your discount price. So you want to buy at discount, okay, at discount price, and sell at premium price. So if you're on an uptrend, what you are looking to do, okay, is to make sure that you buy somewhere here and sell it off at premium price before you start coming back again. Okay. So that means if you enter buy at this zone, your TP will be at exit of the at the highest point of the premium zone, of the premium price. Okay. We'll see that on the chart shortly. Now, when we talk about strong highs, let me call this out separately. When we talk about strong high, what am I typing? Sorry. Oh, strong highs and weak highs. Okay, let's pick it one after the other. And weak highs. Then we'll talk about strong lows, strong lows, weak. Okay, that's what we'll talk about next now. This is too big. Let me make it a little bit smaller. Okay, all right. Okay, if price is on an uptrend, for example, just focus on what I'm drawing here. Let me delete the remaining stuff. This one is not useful again. Let me delete this one for now. Or let me just go to the screen. Okay, all right. So if price is still on an uptrend, I also do example for downtrend. I'm doing uptrend for everything. Okay. Now let's see from this range low, okay, to this high where we are looking to trade from. Okay. Now we already know the middle is the equilibrium. We want to buy from the discount. So you only trade other blocks that are in the discount zone. Other blocks that are within this zone, that's what you want to trade. You don't want to trade other blocks that are above that the premium zone. Okay, that's number one thing you have to know. Then another thing that you have to know is this, which is the weaker highs and weak lows. Now this range, you can see it as something like this. So you can see it as something like this. So within this range, we have this low and we have this high. But because price is on an uptrend, we expect price not to break below here. That makes this low a protected low. And a protected low is the strong low. Okay, so this is a strong low. This is a strong low. And if you have a low that is a strong low, then the core, the high that is opposite it is going to be a weak high. It's going to be what? A weak high. A weak high. So in between here is where you are looking for trade. All these things will make sense to you when we start analyzing the real market, not for learning purpose, but for finding trade purpose. You are going to start seeing the use of all this stuff. Okay, so just bear it at the back of your mind. After you have recognized your range, if you are an uptrend, the low, higher low is a strong low, while the high high is the weak high. Why did you say this? The reason is that we expect this low to be protected. A strong low should not be broken. If a strong low is broken, then we have a change of character and trend is changing. But for trend to continue, that strong low must be protected. Price must not break below it. It has to be protected because it's a strong low. And if a low is protected, then its job now as a strong low is to make sure it take this high. Is make sure it attack and overcome this high and break above it. Okay, so that will make the uptrend to continue. Anytime the low is weak and fail to break the high, then we will be having a change of character. Okay, so in as far the low is weak, is strong, and it keeps on breaking this high, we keep on having an uptrend. But anytime the low becomes weak and can no longer push price with the strength required, and price started doing something like this, and eventually break it, we have a change of what's change of character. So I've explained all of them now. Premium discounts, ranges, weak, and strong lows and highs. And let's see them on downtrend. I've been using uptrend for a while since I started this video. So let me use downtrend now to explain all of them at once. Okay. So let's say we have price moving downward, breaking structure to show us that it's a downtrend. Okay, so we have this is the last structure that was broken. Okay, so price broke this structure here downward, creating a new lower low. Okay, so immediately you see it reversing like that, you have your range already. Okay, you have your range, and that is from here to here. Okay, that's your range, and that range you have your discount. So this is the higher part is discount, as I've said earlier. Okay, so the higher part is discount, sorry, is premium. This is premium. Okay, the higher part is premium, and the lower part is what? Discount. Okay, so now since you are planning to sell, you want to be selling in premium price. Okay, so that you can buy it back in discount price. Okay, so you want to sell inside this red zone. Okay, so it's only other block that's inside that red zone that you want to short from. Okay, and you'll be taking profit at the exit of this discount price. That's why you buy it in back. Okay, I think it's a very, very simple concept. Okay, so it's only other block inside the premium zone that you want to trade from. All right, that's what that means. Okay, and you already know that this becomes a strong high, because we don't expect price to break above this. Okay, we don't expect price to break above this. If price will continue the downtrend, should not break above it. Anything that makes it break above it, they will be having a change of character. And this is strong, this is a weak low. Okay, so we expect price to come to this low and fail to break it, then rejects and come and break the high instead. Sorry, the low instead. It failed to break this high, then it will reverse, tap into some other block, sweep some liquidity, and come back to target this. So this is the weak low. This is the strong high. Does that make sense? I believe it does. If it doesn't, you can ask me questions. You can drop questions on the comment section or ask on the group chat. Okay. So these are the concepts I want you to understand tonight. It's just going to strengthen your build up. Okay, because sometimes you have to, in fact, every time you have to build up your narrative before you can choose what you are doing. You have to build up your narrative. Okay, you have to build up your narrative. Let's see what this looks like on the charts. We don't have to make this video bulky. It's a very simple concept, and what you have learned have already covered most of these things. Just don't know them with their names. Well, okay, all right. Now let's just use this price action as here. Let me delete everything in the charts. Oh, I should delete this. By mere looking, you would have started seeing this stuff. Okay, let's look from where should we start from? Let's start from here. Okay, let's start from this. Yeah. Okay, let's start from here. Let's just start from here. Okay, so you see that here we have a break of structure to the downside. Okay, this is a kind of complex one, but let's just look at it like that. Then price was going down, and we have a kind of little retracement from this area, right? So you can see from here to here is our range, but price failed to come into our premium. We want to short from premium. It failed to come there and created another range. Okay, downward like that. Here to here. Okay, created another range downward like that. And this now give us an entry, you understand? So we look to short from premium. Okay, on premium zone. That's exactly what I'm saying. This is premium zone now. this area is premium zone. That's where we're looking for other block we want to short. Okay. Then secondly is you know that since we're on the downtrend, this is supposed to be our strong high. We don't expect price to break this, and this is going to be our weak low. Okay. Then price broke down again. Okay. Then give us this range. That's from here to here. So this become our strong high. Okay. This become our strong high. The price have to protect. Okay. That's from this range to this range. Price has to protect this high, and price have to come and equally take this high because this low, because this is now a weak low. Okay, this is now a weak low. So no matter other block you see here, you don't want to trade from it because it's a very weak low and price is going to take it. Okay, so price broke structure again and give us let me be deleting these ones. Price broke structure again, give us another range. Okay, give us the range. Let's say from here now. Okay, to here. That's a new range price give us, right? And as you can see, this is supposed to be strong high, while it's supposed to be our what? Our weak low. Okay, but this time around, price broke through our strong high, and that's what we call a change of character. Okay, that's what we call change of character right here. Immediately change of character happens, our range have changed. The range is now from this last low. The next point is where we have a reversal. So we have a very big range right now. Share to here, nice our range. And price is not even will make it back to our discount zone. Just move up from here. Okay. Just move up from here. Now it did not even tap into our discount, but the only thing that is looking tradable here is this breaker block. Who remember what breaker block is? We use this breaker block to move up. Okay. Well, that's what we are watching. We'll be seeing more of these things when we start analyzing life of trade opportunity. Okay. So from there, we broke structure here, we broke structure here, and give us another uh range, from here, which is from here to here. Now you expect price not to break below this way. Okay, whatever price is doing shouldn't break, and you see that we try not to break this low, and now it's going for this high. So simply you can see that price is moving upward because this satisfy all the conditions. If you check premium discounts, taking your figure from that low to that high, you see that it has come into the discounts. That's come into the discount area here. So you can trade other block that you have there that has adjustments and all. So that is it. Okay. I hope this is clear. This is very simple concept, and I think with this move down, move up, I've explained them all. So you'll be seeing more of these things. We'll start to analyze life and find trades together. And we'll be building our narrative to catch. I believe this is clear. As usual, if you have questions, you know what to do. just channel it to us and answer them. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next one.